Now, introduce our upgrade automatic canceling machine. This is the turntable. This is the sensor. This is the lip reading device. Broken cylinder sensor. And gear for steaming roller. Now you can see this one is white. The white steaming roller. The glass is white. Compare this one. This one the glass is narrow. And this one the glass is wide. Narrow, this one is the first steaming roller, and this one is the second steaming roller. And rolling this, the first and the upper side of the steaming roller. This one also the first steaming roller. This one is second steaming roller, and the upper side one. This one also the second steaming roller. And this one is for can height adjustment reference. You can see can height adjustment reference. If you have different can heights, it can according to adjust the screw to adjust to steaming different can height. If you want to change different can height, just need to loose the screw 1, 2, and 3. Loose this 3 screw and roll the wheel, the hand wheel. You can see this one is hand wheel. This hand wheel and adjusted the can height. It can up or down. Because this pound is for Italy customers, so it is changed to Italy pound. This one is for the conveyor model. And this one is the touch screen. It can select different language and enter into automatic menu or parameters to set. For example, you can select English or Chinese or other language also okay, and enter here. You directly into the auto interface. You just need to press the start and the machine start. And origin, this one is for the turntable. Turntable back to the origins. Before you start the machine, it must press the origin. The turntable back to the origin, then start the machines. Here also have the menu, and you can select when you press 1, and it will one motion to run. This one is conveyor belt, train up, lip reading, turntable, and this one is parameters setting, and you can setting the bottle reading detection time and setting others. And under the screen here has this one powder. This one is run the machine. When machine running, this one the light will on. And this one is emergency start.